All right, so this right here gives you a better visual. So the brain and the spine are both part of the central nervous system, and it controls everything. That is who you are, your thoughts. Um, and then your peripheral nervous system are the little green lines that extend outward. They extend outward from the brain and the spinal cord itself. And these nerves right here, the green nerves, are what sense they sense the outside environment, and they will send messages through here to your spinal cord up to your brain. Your brain will get that information and then react to it. So for example, let's say that this guy here got bit or stung by a bee right here on this arm. Your peripheral nervous systems will pick up that bite, and that sensation of pain will travel through your peripheral nervous system into your spine up to your brain. Your brain will get that message of pain on the left arm, and then will send down a message through your spine to your peripheral nervous system on this arm to then move this arm and smack that or scratch that or rub that, whatever's going to make them feel better. So that's kind of how it works. And of course, I got a video to show you guys that might help some of you learn this better. So let me go ahead and share that with you guys right now.